Hi everyone, welcome to the Wilberforce Future Student event for Geography. I'm just going to take a few minutes just to talk you through some of the key aspects of the Geography course at which we do here at Wilberforce. My name's Chris and I'm the Geography teacher here, and what we do in Geography is we do 6 units that are split over the 2 years, 3 of which are Physical Geography and 3 of which are Human Geography. The units you can see on the screen right now, the Physical Geography ones are carbon and water cycles, coastal systems and landscapes and hazards. The Human Geography units are changing places, contemporary urban environments and global systems and global governance. We follow the AQA specification and these are the units which we cover. There's also a Geography coursework project which is done usually over the sort of summer of the first year. It might be in the autumn term of second year. Things this year have been a little bit different, as I'm sure you're aware. So it's a thing of seeing sort of the current situation when we get round to it for you guys. But the coursework project can be on anything you want it to be. So if you have a preference for physical geography, you can choose to investigate a local issue to do with physical geography. If you prefer human geography, then that is your chance to specialise in that area. It doesn't have to be on one of those 6 units. It can be on absolutely anything which is covered as part of the geography specification. In order to study geography at Wilberforce, we do have certain requirements. We ask that you have at least 5 GCSEs between grades 9 and 4, including your maths and your English. There is a lot of written content in the geography course. You have to do essay questions for every unit, so it is really important that you have the English skills needed for that. And we do quite a lot of statistics work and data interpretation, so again it's important that you have maths. If you have done geography at GCSE, we'd also ask that you had at least a grade 4 in that. If you haven't done GCSE geography, that is not an issue. We'd just ask that you do have a keen interest within the subject, and it might be a thing that I'll have a little chat with you before starting the course. Lots of students have done lots of different courses alongside geography. On the screen right now are just some of the examples of courses which have been done by my students over the last 2 or 3 years. Whether it be maths, history, further maths. A lot of students choose to do other STEM subjects. Geography is within the STEM faculty at Wilberforce, so a lot of students do other sciences or maths, but there's been a whole range of courses. These are just some of them. Pretty much everything that Wilberforce offers has been done alongside geography within the last few years. We do lots of interesting stuff in geography. Geography is a very hands-on subject. As you can probably imagine, over the last few months, it's been very different. Haven't been able to get out as much as we'd like to do. But there's loads of trips that we do, including a residential trip to Wales. Some of the pictures are on the screen right now for that. We also do trips to the coast, to Ilkley in North Yorkshire. We go to Leeds as well. But it's certainly one of those memorable parts of the course. I enjoy them as much as ever. I love getting outside. I love getting sort of geographied, if we can make a word out of that. But it's certainly some of the things that students find the most memorable, especially the residential trip to Wales. It's one of those trips where you do get stretched, you do get challenged, both in your understanding of the subject, but also in getting outdoors as well. In terms of progression, we've had students go on to a wide range of different things from having done geography. Students have gone to do geography at university, have gone on to do environmental science. We've had some students going to do teaching, whether it be primary or secondary, had some students do photography as well. But it's not always just about going to university. I've had students go on to do different apprenticeships, had someone who got a role at the Environment Agency, other people have gone straight into other paid employments as well. But if you want to know more about what is on offer both at Wilberforce in general, but specifically geography as well, there's a course information sheet on the website. If you click on the courses tab, you can find geography there. There's also a geography Instagram account, which is Wilberforce Geography, which I'd encourage you to have a look at. I put on different pictures from field work and different exercises on there. And there's also a Twitter account, W6FC Geography, where I put on lots of different news articles and things that I've found on the internet which relate to geography, and they're a good thing to sort of have a look at to keep sort of widening your understanding. And when you're doing the geography course as well, looking at some of these articles, you see keywords, you see things that we've covered in lessons coming up, and it's a good way to stretch yourself. There's a couple more slides on here with information as well as to why you would choose to study at Wilberforce, as well as the promo video for the college. So thanks for watching this. If you have got any questions about the course, please feel free to email me. My email address is on the screen right now. And thanks for watching.